Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you guys the best and easiest way to remove stickers from pretty much any handheld console, or even like actual consoles I guess. If you've got a console, so in my case I've got two DS's here. I've got the original DS and a DS Lite, and basically probably your kids own them and they've stuck stickers all over them, and actually on this one it looks like they've peeled them off, but it's still got this kind of like, you know, sticky layer underneath which I actually need to take off. And the same with this DS. This one has actually got the two stickers on, so we've even got this like rose sticker in here. So the first thing you want to do is just get the stickers, and you actually just want to peel them off. With this one it's okay, they're already peeled off. Even if it just has this glue, we will actually be able to remove that very easily. But these stickers, just try and just peel them off, just get them off as much as possible. So just like that, I wouldn't worry too much if there's like some stuff stuck underneath. I do actually have something to remove them. And we've also got this really weird rose sticker, so I'm going to try and take that off as well. And there you go, so both of the stickers are off. Of course they've left like a sticky layer underneath, but it's not looking too bad. So basically what I've got here, I've got this thing. Basically what this is degreaser. You can spray it out onto like a cloth or something, and you can actually wipe off the stickers. So if I'll try and find like this on Amazon or eBay or something, and I'll link it in the description. Basically just get some tissue and you can actually just spray this onto it. You don't really have to spray that much. So that should be okay. It does actually evaporate quite quick, but what we want to do is just rub this all over the glue. Now basically what this is going to do is start loosening the glue, and we will actually be able to take it off. So as you can see, actually this is actually starting to take the cloth off as well. But as you can see, it's pretty much coming off. It's actually got some stains underneath I might have to try and get off as well. And we can also dry it, just try and take all of this glue off. Okay, so there you go, that is looking a bit better. We can also try and get this sticky patch off here. You can actually feel it once you've tried and taken it off, and it should not be sticky anymore. So there you go, not really too sticky. It might have a few marks on left underneath. We can actually remove those with some touch screen cleaner or something like that. And there you go, it's actually looking a bit better. I'll probably do a tiny bit more just on another cloth. Of course I've got the DS to do as well. So there you go, that is looking pretty clean now. I don't know what these are. In fact, that is actually coming off. I have no idea what that is, it's pretty gross, but there you go. Okay, so I'll be able to clean that a bit better in a minute, and the sticker inside is pretty much gone as well. So there you go, looking pretty clean. So let's do this exactly the same on the pink DS Lite. This one has some pretty gross stickers on it. On the inside as well. I should be able to clean that up a bit easier. But let's just get some more of this stuff. And let's try and take these off. So as you can see, it's pretty much just peeling the glue off. It's actually really, really good stuff. As I said, I'll try and find a link to it because I didn't actually know where this came from. We've just had it for ages. But yeah, I'll try and find a link, and I'll put it in the description of this video. So I've just noticed this one here is kind of like a sticker, but I think the top of it's just peeled off, so it's still got some plastic underneath. So that's a bit annoying to remove, to be honest, but I'll try and remove it. So yeah, it's got some sticky layer underneath, so I'll try and get this off. Okay, so there you go, it's looking pretty clean, apart from it's got a few smudges and stuff. We should be able to get those off pretty easily now that the stickers are completely gone, and the back is pretty decent as well. So what I've got next, I've actually got this is just like a touch screen cleaner or screen cleaner. Then I've just got like a normal cloth for this. I'm just going to spray some of this on a cloth. and we should be able to use this as well. So with this, I like to let it dry a bit, but I guess we could try and just clean it up a bit. So there you go, that is now looking pretty clean. If you saw it before and then take a look at it now, that is looking quite nice. Let's just let that dry for a bit, I guess. Let's do the same on this one. Let's just clean the top of this. And there you go, got a few scratches on it, but it's now clean. Let's also do the inside, just clean this up a bit. And we can also clean the screens with this as well, because this is actually a screen cleaner, and this also works on touchscreens. So I'll leave a link to this in the description as well, if I find some. So there you go, this one is now looking really clean. Of course we can clean the screens as well. Let's also clean the screens of the pink DS. And there you go, that is looking pretty clean as well. So with this pink DS, I've actually got a Jigglypuff sticker I want to put on it. I thought that would look pretty cool. I've got one right here. So let's try and put this on and let's see what this ends up looking like. Before I'm going to put the sticker on, I'm just going to make sure the surface below is of course dry and you know, it doesn't have anything on. I guess I'm just going to put it on top over the DS logo. So let's try and do this. What do we think? Should we do it this way around or the other way around? Maybe this way around, I think. That might look quite good. So let's just line the ears up at the top and kind of line it up in the middle of the game, of the DS logo. Okay, so there you go, that is what that looks like. You can kind of see the DS logo coming through a bit, but it looks okay, I guess. I think I do have some more Pokemon stickers, so maybe I could put one over on the other DS. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video on cleaning up these DSs, how to remove stickers from them, even though I put a sticker back on, but this one actually looks cool. How to remove stickers from them and how to get them in good condition. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.